Android malware is software designed to interact with a victim's application with malicious intent. Attackers develop malware to spy on user data in order to steal sensitive information like credentials or financial details, which could lead to spoofing user input to perform fraudulent actions directly on the victim's device, like draining their bank account. There are endless reports of malware in mobile apps causing harm across industries. But how exactly does malware get installed on a user's mobile device? Phishing and smishing are two popular techniques attackers use to distribute malware into their victims' devices. A typical malware campaign utilizing these techniques tricks users into clicking malicious links on seemingly legit app stores, web pages, social media sites, emails, or even text messages. These links often lead victims into installing a fake app that impersonates another well-known app, or a real app with real functionalities that's infected with malware from a third-party source rather than the Google Play Store. This is also known as sideloading. Another popular method is via the official Google Play Store, using apparently genuine apps designed to deploy a malicious payload after they've been installed. These apps usually work as droppers. Threat actors first develop and submit a legitimate app with specific functions, such as calculators, QR code scanners, or memory cleaners, into the Google Play Store. Initially, these apps contain nothing malicious and would be accepted by Google for publication, where the attacker can then inflate its reputation with fake reviews and downloads to artificially create a trustworthy image for the app. After being installed onto the victim's device, the app drops a second stage app that attempts to obtain permissions to accessibility services. Once granted by the victim, it can escalate its permissions to become a device admin by itself. At this point, it can then pull pieces of malicious code from a CNC server, turning the initially safe app into a malicious one. This series will explore how common attack vectors are executed once they're installed on a victim's device to steal sensitive data or make fraudulent transactions. For more information about malware and guidance on actionable defense techniques, visit guardsquare.com/android-malware.